So hello friends. Welcome to Easy Data Fundamental. In this video, we will see top 10 important Windows commands to speed up your work and fix issues instantly. So watch the full video without skip. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe now for more related videos. So let's get started. Number 1. So guys, our first command is winver. The winver command is used to check the exact version and build number of your Windows operating system. It opens the About Windows window, which displays important system details. So let's try our first command in CMD. For that, just type winver, and you can see that it displays your Windows system information. Actually, it helps you identify your Windows version before installing software or drivers. Also useful for troubleshooting compatibility issues, and essential for checking Windows updates and support lifecycle. So I hope you understood this command. Let's go to our next command. Number 2. Guys, our second command is msinfo32. The msinfo32 command opens the System Information tool, which provides a detailed overview of your computer's hardware, software, and drivers. Let's try this command in our CMD. For that, just type msinfo32, and you can see that it provides all information about your system hardware or software. It helps you to check hardware details without opening your PC or laptop. Also helpful to find out your Windows version and architecture. Similarly for troubleshooting system performance. So I hope you understood this command also. Let's go to our next command. Number 3. So guys, our third command is perfmon/report. The perfmon/report command generates a detailed diagnostic report about your computer's performance, hardware, and potential issues. It helps you analyze system health and troubleshoot problems. So let's try this command. For that, just type perfmon/report, and you can see that it is analyzing the report. After this process is completed, it will provide you to final report of your system performance. Actually, it will help you to diagnose slow performance issues, identifies faulty hardware or misconfigured drivers, provide automatic troubleshooting suggestions, and save time by showing real-time system bottlenecks. I hope you understood this command also. Let's go to our next command. Number 4. Guys, our fourth command is cleanmgr. The cleanmgr command opens the disk cleanup tool, which helps you remove temporary files, system cache, and other unnecessary data to free up storage and improve system performance. So let's try this command. For that, just type cleanmgr and select any drive that you want to clean. Actually, it will help you to free up disk space by deleting junk files, improve system performance by removing clutter, fix storage issues caused by old update files, and prevent slowdowns by optimizing disk space. So let's go to our next command. Number 5. So guys, our fifth command is wmic diskdrive get status. The wmic diskdrive get status command checks the health status of your hard drive using SMART, self-monitoring, analysis, and reporting technology. It helps you detect potential hard disk failures before they happen. So let's try this command in our CMD. For that, just type wmic diskdrive get status, and you can see that it provides the status of your disk drive. It will be helpful to you for detecting hard drive failures early to avoid data loss, and for checking HDD or SSD health without third-party software. So I hope you understood this command also. So let's go to our next command. Number 6. Guys, our sixth command is MRT, Microsoft Windows Malware Removal Tool. The MRT command runs Microsoft's malicious software removal tool, MSRT, which helps detect and remove specific types of malware that might be infecting your Windows system. This tool is included with Windows and is updated monthly. So let's try this command. So for that, just type mrt and wait for some seconds. Now click on Yes, and you can see that it is scanning the malicious software. Once it is completed, you got the malicious software that is present in your system. This command is helpful to detect and remove dangerous malware, run without needing installation, work alongside antivirus software for extra protection, and update monthly by Microsoft to fight new malware threats. So I hope this command is very helpful to you. Let's go to our next command. Number 7. Guys, our 7th command is appwiz.cpl. The appwiz.cpl command opens the Programs and Features window in the control panel, allowing you to view, modify, or uninstall install programs on your computer. So let's try this command. For that, just type appwiz.cpl, and you can see that your Programs and Features window is opened. Now you can uninstall or manage installed apps. It will help you to quickly uninstall unwanted programs to free up space, detect and remove malware or bloatware, and helpful to troubleshoot software issues by repairing or reinstalling apps. So I hope you understood this command also. Let's go to our next command. Number 8. Guys, our 8th command is powercfg/battery report. The powercfg/battery report command generates a detailed battery health report, including battery capacity, charge cycles, and past battery usage. It helps analyze battery performance and detect degradation over time. So let's try this command in our CMD. For that, just type powercf/battery report and follow the path that our output is provided. In this HTML file, you can get the all report about your battery. This command provides battery information, recent usage of battery, battery capacity history, and battery life estimates. It is a very important command for battery. So let's go to our next command. Number 9. Guys, our 9th command is Task Manager. The Task Manager command opens the Task Manager, which allows you to monitor system performance, manage running applications, and control background processes. So let's try this command. For that, just type taskmgr, and you can see that it opens Task Manager. And now you can monitor system performance, manage running applications, and control background processes. It will be helpful to you for closing unresponsive applications, for speeding up startup by disabling unwanted programs, for checking system performance in real time, and for high-resource apps causing slowdowns. So I hope you understood this command also. Let's go to our next command. Number 10. Guys, our final command is OSK. The OSK command opens the on-screen keyboard, a virtual keyboard that you can use with a mouse, touch screen, or other pointing device. It's helpful when your physical keyboard is not working properly. So let's try this command. For that, just type OSK, and you can see that your on-screen keyboard is opened. Now you can type anything with the help of this keyboard. This is one of the very simplest commands. So guys, I hope you understood all 10 Windows commands clearly. It will definitely help you in your daily tasks, for improving efficiency, and even assist in troubleshooting common system issues, like slow performance, connectivity problems, or missing files. If you have any doubts related to any command, then feel free to drop a comment below. We will see you in the next video. But before that, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.